Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the amines reactor with nitrous acid. So this is chapter 30, organic nitrogen compounds. So this is also chemical properties of amines, fourth one. So first amines, how to react with nitrous acid. So three classes of amines react with differently with nitrous acid, which is prepared in situation from a mixture of sodium nitrate and HCl. So first primary amine and secondary amine and then tertiary amines. So primary amines mean ethylamine reacts with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formula HNO2. So that is nitrous acid. To give ethyl diazonium chloride, which is unstable, and it is converted to ethanol by liberating of N2. And next one is same thing, second one, this is also primary amine only. So here aniline is taking. So aniline reacts with nitrous acid at low temperature. So that is 273 to 278 Kelvin. To give benzene diazonium chloride, which is stable for a short time and slowly decomposes at low temperatures. This reaction is known as diazotization. So first one, primary amines. So here I take ethyl amine. What is the formula for ethyl? C2H5NH2. So that is ethyl. Amine represent NH2. So ethyl amine, that is reacted with nitrous acid. So nitrous acid means HNO2 in the presence of sodium nitrite and corn HCl. So here one unstable compound is formed, that is ethyl diazonium chloride. So and it is converted to ethanol by liberating nitrogen. So again it is reacted with water molecules. So here removal of N2. So what is remaining? C2H5OH and removal of HCl also. So that is ethanol. Okay, let us see the equation. Ethyl amine C2H5. So that is ethyl group. Amine represent NH2. So first we take ethyl amine. So this is reaction with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formula is HNO2. So plus HNO2. In the presence of sodium nitrite and corn HCl. So NaNO2 and corn HCl. So what is formed here? An unstable compound. So that is ethyl diazonium chloride. So C2H5 N2 times Cl minus. So C2H5 N2 times and chloride means Cl. So this is ethyl diazonium chloride. So N2 plus Cl minus. So this is the unstable compound. So how it is formed? So minus 2 times of H2O is removed. So here H2 hydrogen hydrogen. So minus 2 times of H2. And next one O. So where water molecules 2 times of oxygen is removed. So 2 times of oxygen is removed. So what is remaining? C2H5, N and N2 and Cl minus. So this is unstable compound. And next it is further reacted with water molecules. H2O. So it is ionized like this, H plus OH minus. So here this hydrogen is combined with chlorine and removal of HCl. And next one, what is remaining? C2H5OH. So C2H5OH with the add plus nitrogen. And the next one, aniline reacts with nitrous acid at low temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin to give benzene diazonium chloride, which is stable for a short time and slowly decomposes at low temperatures. This reaction is known as diazotization. So first aniline. So aniline means in a benzene structure NH2 is present. That is reacted with sodium nitrate in the presence of 2 times of HCl. So what is at what temperature? 273 to 278 Kelvin. So benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene structure N2 plus Cl minus. So that is benzene diazonium chloride, and NaCl plus 2 times of water molecules is formed. Okay, let us see the equation. So aniline in a benzene structure NH2. So that is reacted with sodium nitrate plus another one is hydrochloric acid. So 2 times of hydrochloric acid. So here it takes some temperature also. The temperature is 273 to 278 Kelvin. Benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium N 2 times diazo chloride Cl. So N2 plus Cl minus. So that is benzene diazonium chloride. And next one is plus sodium chloride is formed. So here one Na, here Cl is present. So sodium chloride is formed NaCl. Plus what is remaining? Water molecule. So here hydrogen 2 times. So here also hydrogen 2 times. Totally 4 times. So 2 times of H2. Oxygen 2 times. So water molecule is formed. And next one is secondary amines. Alkyl or aryl secondary amines reacts with nitrous acid to give N-nitrozoamine as yellow oily liquid which is insoluble in water. So first we take N-methyl aniline. So first we write aniline. So N-methyl aniline means so remove of one hydrogen and add CH. So this is N-methyl aniline. That is reacted with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid formed a HNO2. So here I write HON double bond. So both are same HNO2. So that is nitrous acid. So in the presence of sodium nitrate and carbon HCl. So here removal of water molecules OH and nitrogen. So removal of water molecules. So what is remaining in a benzene structure? NCH3 bond N double bond O. So that is N-nitroso-methyl-phenylamine, that is yellow oil. So this reaction is known as Lieberman's nitroso test. So here NCH3 bond N double bond O. So this is known as N-nitroso-methyl-phenylamine. So next one is tertiary amine. So aliphatic tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid to form trialkyl ammonium nitrite salt, which is soluble in water. So first trimethylamine in the presence of nitrous acid. So it is converted into trimethyl ammonium nitrite. So trimethylamine means CH3 thrice N, that is reacted with HNO2. So it gives CH3 thrice NH plus NO2 minus. So that's all. So trimethylamine. So trimethyl represents CH3 amine. So this is trimethylamine. So that is reacted with HNO2. Okay. So what is formed in opposite side? Trimethyl ammonium nitrate. So CH3 tries. So that is trimethyl. Ammonium, so N H, that is plus, and next one is NO2 minus. So this is trimethyl ammonium nitrate. And next one is aromatic tertiary amine reacts with nitrous acid at 273 Kelvin to give para-nitroso compound. So N, N dimethyl aniline is taking here in the presence of HNO2 and NaNO2 plus Carbon HCl mixture. So here also removal of H2O. So what is remaining? Para-nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline is formed. First, N, dimethyl aniline. It is reacted with nitrous acid in the presence of sodium nitrate and Carbon HCl mixture. So here I write like this HNO2. So here removal of water molecules. Already what is present here? One hydrogen is present. That hydrogen and OH combined together and get minus H2. So what is remaining? So draw the benzene structure. So here CH3. So here also CH3. So here bond N double bond, because nitrogen valency is 3, so double bond. So here 1, so totally 3, and oxygen valency is, so double bond O. So this is para-nitroso N, N dimethyl aniline. So that's all for reaction with nitrous acid. Thank you, students.